What? Another box? Do you not know me very well? That must mean you're new. Welcome. Yes, we have yet another purchase over the Thanksgiving through Cyber Monday holiday weekend. And boy, oh boy, if this isn't on the pricier side. However, I did get it 50% off. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am now 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what you get in the Data Disco mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I recently, it feels recent, I think it was in August, did a mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury that cost a whopping $164. If you missed that, you can check it out in the eye above. So I was passing on the latest one over Black Friday until Cyber Monday hit and they were on sale for like 50% off. So when something costs $261 and now it's only $130, plus on top of it being 50% off, they were giving a $53 Walk of No Shame little quad. Yeah, so yours truly, a sucker for a good deal, loves makeup, skincare, and bougie stuff at a really good price. I'm weak. What can I say? Anyways, that's what we got here. This is what we're going to unbox. We're going to do this, that it's not any repeats from what I already got. And guess what? Any repeats, that's going to get tucked away to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I want to remind you all that the 700 subscriber giveaway is right around the corner. So make sure you are subscribed, you like the video, and you give a thumbs up. I guess that's one and the same. You leave a comment. That's what I meant to say. Oh my goodness. Can you tell? I've been filming a lot lately. I'm a little cuckoo. All right, enough rambling. What is in this box? All right, yes, so it is the same shape and size as the one I got in August. And what's lovely about these is, well, for me, it's just a box, but it's beautiful. And it has the magnetic closure. Makes you feel extra special. Okay, so I got a couple samples. One is the Magic Eye Rescue, and the other is the Super Radiance Resurfacing Facial with 15% AHA, BHA, and PHA. All right, thank you, Charlotte. And then on the outside, yes, here is the free with purchase extra special holiday spirited free quad palette, which is the Walk of No Shame. And in case you have never seen what this looks like before, there are the lovely colors. Now we are going to dive into the actual mystery extravaganza, which is Data Disco. Like I've been to a disco in the past 25 years. Ah, Charlotte, have you been to a disco lately? All right, let's grab the first item. Ooh, it feels heavy. Is this a palette? What is this? Super excited. This is FILMSTAR Bronze and Glow. Oh yes, and her packaging is so bougie, I think. Maybe not. Oh, I thought it was going to pull apart. Okay, now I'm just looking stupid. 1 second. Really? Now you decide to do that? OMG, I'm trying not to blind you. This is real metal, which is why it felt so heavy. And it has the similar packaging to the Hollywood, some highlighter that looks like a big clam that I got in the last box. All right. Ooh, wow. Okay. Those are beautiful. And my ooh, wow commentary is, I'm fair, and I have a feeling these are too light and too fair for me. I got the box that was deemed light/medium. I'm sure these are lovely. In fact, let's swatch, but they just look very, very, very light. As expected, Where's Waldo? Can you even see them on my hand? All right, well, they will make lovely eyeshadows. Okay, I still, the bougie packaging gets me every time. What else came in this box? What is this? We have something called the Hollywood Flawless Eye Filter Luxury Palette. Ooh, okay, so are those the shades? If so, yes. That's all I can say. Because her other palettes, there's not enough depth, in my opinion. You have two very similar shimmers and two very similar soft shades. And this one looked like it had a black in it or something quite dark. Ooh, look how pretty those are. Okay, so this in conjunction with the No Shame and the other one, I forget what that one's called. Yes, oh wow. Those look very shimmery. All right, let's do some swatches. All right, this one may be too light to pick up, but there are two soft shimmers there, a dark shade, and another medium shade. So these would bode well with those other two quad palettes. All right, Charlotte, already this box I'm liking better than the last mystery box. What else did we get? Yes, look at this. Are you what I think you are? This is the Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Ooh. Wait, do I already have this? For some reason I thought this was an eye cream. Maybe it's just a very small moisturizer that I already have. Something will be on the screens to explain what this product is. The size made me think eye cream, but maybe it's... How many magic creams does she have? All right, next item. What is this? We have a mystery product befitting in a mystery box. What is this? It is in very tiny writing. It says Color Chameleon. Color Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. Ooh, and it's in the shade Champagne Diamonds. Not sure what that is. Is that just a fancy little pencil for helping to get in the corner of your eye? If so, that would be great because I always struggle with that. Okay, so it's a fatter crown than I thought. Okay, yes. Let's do a swatch of that. Oh, it's less what I consider champagne and more kind of coppery-ish. But still lovely. So far, I'm liking this box. All right, what's next? Ooh, it looks like we have a lipstick. It says Matte Revolution. Look how pretty her packaging. I don't want to blind you. Again, real metal. What is the shade? I think it says M.I. Kiss. Ooh, that is my loss. Someone in my 1,000 subscribers gained. This is too dark for what I'll wear. I could swatch it, maybe wear it once, and it's just a waste. So I'd rather pass it along to someone who would love and enjoy it. All right, and the last item. Yes, okay. Something I can hopefully wear. This is the Dazzling Diamonds Gloss in the shade Pillow Talk, which looks darker than I remember on the box. But if it's a gloss, it should sheer out. So let's do a swatch, and hopefully it will be on my lips within minutes. And if not, sorry, I just ripped the box. Yes, okay, right up my alley. Do I already own this? Very possibly, but I don't know where it is. So guess what? I may have two going. There is the swatch. Oh my goodness. Why look at it on my hand when you can see it on my lips? That is beautiful. Very soft, nudie, pinky, peachy shade. Oh, and it smells really good. Like cupcakes, like sweet vanilla. Yes. It's right up my alley. It's not sticky, but it is thick. So some may find it feels sticky, but I don't think it's sticking. It's just thick. All right, let's recap what we got in this box. Yes, there's a lot more makeup. The last one had more, it had makeup, but I felt it leaned more towards skincare. And this one definitely feels more makeup heavy and at a much better price. So we got a lip gloss, an eyeshadow crayon, a quad eyeshadow palette, a bronze and glow duo, a bullet lipstick, and the famous Magic Cream. We also got for free a $53 luxury eyeshadow palette and 2 little one-use samples. What are your thoughts? I think that was pretty good. I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total, and let's see how much of a value I got for $130. This one palette for free is $53. So I can only imagine the price of these other items. Let me know if you are into Charlotte Tilbury. I do find her products very pricey, but if you take advantage of these mystery boxes, I think you get a good deal. Granted, you can't pick the shades. Otherwise, wait for a sale. I do find her products very, very light because I'm fair, and I find often they're a little too fair for, or too light for me as well. But does that stop me from wanting something bougie? No. All right. Let me know what your favorite Charlotte Tilbury product is. And remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment so you can be entered into my 700 subscriber giveaway. All right. Thanks, everyone.